Igbe.
Offer. These black skin girls, with the plan, Nigerians go, they happy. If you don't bleach, black skin girls, nothing concern you, Anna. You don't understand? And funny bone, I beg point of correction, because you just shout my senior colleague. I honor him so much. I'm not gonna support you. I can't work. So tomorrow my money give me. I'll be you now. They wash us. I washed it when I was young. My brother, I am performing with you now that I'm old. Give what belongs to Caesar for national peace, because life na brain. You don't understand? Ahmed Musa, if now this boy you won't listen to, you go for. All these boys when they tell you Ahmed Musa governor contest, no answer them. Because this country they can push people. Go, we are behind you. Now wait till they tell Atiku. Yesterday for tribunal, now only stand. If we children not follow and go court. So if you like, go vote. Face your football where you the face so face them. Ahmed Musa, you they run, Sha. You they run. Mona clap for our Super Eagles first. Some idiot people God they talk anyhow. Oh, their mates are taking the cup. They are taking bros. Even for your office, you they fail. Bankers, they lost money. Yeah. Even some politicians will promise us things. They never deliver. They never apologize. You don't understand? So, Percy will carry third. For Europe, they worship them. But Ahmed Musa too, they run. Against Algeria, now so Ahmed Musa run here. He run live his destiny. His destiny called the shout, Musa. Take a minute. I was this guy very lean. Now you play 2. Abi 2. Again, one footballer where you put for pocket. You really una they try in DD. Even say you just marry, and everyone expect say you fit play like that. When they watch your statistics, they say now you get the highest tackle for Premiership. The Nations Cup again. Now you can still get the highest tackle. Madam, hope you the year. Highest tackle. Prepare no. Prepare where? And E-Money, please a round of applause for E-Money. Once I made a clap for E-Money, they say you dey support anything comedy. And we appreciate you. Even the ones where you not come, you go say, send me your account number. I was even shocked. My show for Benin, we not consign you, I go save unusual. You called me. You said, I go save. I can't make it. Send me your account number. I sent him. Up till now, I never hear anything from him. But it is support. So, I don't know what I want to do now. Because E-Money made they take your wife, they play. Any man when they honor a wife go make heaven. E-Money, you don't already make heaven first because you don't honor your madam. So madam, now your number I won't collect. So anything I want, now you are go to tell. So that for night, if rain fall, if they call you say, have you answered? I go say. If you say no, lock to get to. Anyway, that's the joke. Shina Pella is another great supporter. This is the king of nightlife. But they say Shina Pella is a magician. I need to fear you. If you want to change me to anything, change me to that. After all, I change the promise us here. It never happens. So, not be your change, I'll cough you. You don't understand? But trust me, it's people are lucky to have you. I mean, this is not the youth where they crave for. May they go represent us. Mona clap for them. Oga Pella, honorable. As we they praise you, if you fail as youth, now we go stick us you. So all the things you tell us say you want to, we write them down. I know say you don't even start to work because I hear say you don't build killers for Abuja already. So work don't start. But I know say you don't deliver. Senator Dino Malaye. I love you because you are vocal. They don't beat you, push you, arrest you. Nothing they never do you, but you still wear your white cap, you still shine. So your new slogan is saying Kogi Koya. But I won't beg you one thing. You get to stand as a distinct senator and a governorship aspirant. Do you understand? All those campaigning of distributing rice, please don't do it. Una won't take carbohydrate kilos. Una need to share beans, una need to share meat. You know how much will they pay for gym? Please be the first governorship aspirant to share fowl. Even if say na umbrella be your logo, share fowl. You can even share broom. That is the love. That's what I want to say. We want to see the unity of every politician. Not be una go promise us. We not even say mona do road or us again. We don't need road. We don't verse. Mona just give us lights. May we tell the see pothole if we dey drive. That's it. That's it. Just give us the light. And women, stop stressing yourself. So women go, they say, oh, I just gave birth. Oh, I've lost my sheep. Don't stress yourself, women. I have a wife. I have 3 daughters. My wife just born. Where the woman working for Austria? Chris Scott. I'm your neighbor. My family day Austria, Vienna. Precisely. My woman just born. Never to take. She don't add weight. I appreciate her like that. Stop killing yourself. Say, oh, I've added weight. Go to waste money for gym. No, you just gave birth. Is birth fat? You're going to lose her later. If your husband not appreciate you like that, that means your husband brain, they need to microwave him. You know why they need to microwave him? Because if the man not appreciate you, you can't kill yourself. See, my clear you. Even if you go bring woman, we get figure I join. Say, okay, honey, Kuku marry and join me. He will still shit on the 2 of you. So stop killing yourself. Women, men. Hi. Oh, Shifi Kuku. Where's our chief? Funny boy, you not get respect. You just say make camera focus on Shifi Kuku. They show a face, then you can show your wife face. You're insulting him publicly. You just say not get mirror for us. You just say need to see face. Person where they go bedroom, they shock say, oh, what be this? Organ are you? But he's generous. He's a fearless fighter. This is the only man, the first time he saw me perform, he said, wow, I go save, I love your performance. You are vocal. This is my number. Anytime you are stranded in this Lagos, call me. Worry boy. You said, call me. You don't do that. For a worry boy. You don't say worry now they carry last. But you can never see the result where we take carry first. Chief Kuku never even come out where he did. His phone don't ring. When he pick, hello, I say, Ogasa, who is this? I say, Ogana, I go save. Oh, how are you? The comedian? I say, yes, sir. How are you? I say, Ogana, they fine. You say, I call you if I broke. Yeah. I say, Ogana, don't broke. He said, but I just left you now. I say, Ogana, the same thing. I don't broke. He said, okay, where are you? I say, Ogana, they for Lekki. What are you saying? I say, Ogana, this is Zenith Bank. He said, walk in. Tell them you are from Chief Kuku. I shock. I enter the bank. I you tell them say Chief Kuku, Ghana must go. I say, oh boy, see office. Now boys they do Yahoo, the thief pants. But the next day, immediately now I call him again. Hello, sir. He say I want to. He said, did you get the money? I say, yes, sir. He said, good. So how are you? I say, okay, I'm fine, but I'm broke. He say again. I say, yes, sir. He say, okay. Where are you? I say, okay, I did for VI. What are you saying? I say, I did see Owando filling station. He say, go inside. Tell the manager you are from Chief Kuku. I just say a job. I enter Owando filling station. I mean the manager. I say from Chief Kuku. Another Ghana must go. I all call my mama, they go price land. The next day, I go call him. I don't know say this Chief Kuku, na smart guy. I don't know say as I the plan, I ain't the plan me. As I call her, they tell the hello. He say, hello, is this? I say, oh, God, save my number. Now the boy where you adopt. He says, listen, I did not adopt you. I said, call me. I said, okay, Oga, no problem. I don't adopt you. He says, so what can I do for you? I said, Oga, I'm broke. Where are you? I said, Oga, they told me Lambridge. What are you saying? I said, the sea river. Go inside. Meet the Mami water. Tell him you are from Chief Kuku. Oga, I not go. And another thing, that way they trend for Lagos. I don't know why women like to kill themselves. Not all women, some. Girls especially. How can you use 1.5 million naira to do bot job? 1.5 million to do yash? How much to burn you small picking for General Hospital? Malay, I like this guy. Very vocal. Until he jump, come over, he lost. 1.5 million. I would prefer that time will be like say, guess. They go buy the yash for market. That time will be saying na foam, na tight. You go buy and wear them. That time guess we're bold. Then they go the market, they price them. You know say when guess one buy what they like. Now for Okay, madam, how much is this yash? The green one. The woman got tell her say it's 1.5. Then the price I say, madam, for ordinary yash, give me this 232. Then the price if you wear that yash that time on the serious note, now foam. But then they import the foam from America. Good foam. If you wear them, if you enter nightclub, men go just they ask you, baby, do you care for fish? Not be joke. And that yash that time, if you take a sedan, it they press. Immediately you get up, now good form, it they release immediately. When the business they grow. Igbo people fall down, they wash the business. Then they wash. The yash business they grow, then they wash. They wash. The thing come boom. Now yash business blow. Now Igbo people call their brothers for anyway. Hello, Emeka. And now yash is booming in Lagos. No, do the foam yourself and put it in tight. We will sell it. Now, Igbo people tried. They did their yash and sold it. It was cheap. American yash was 1.5. But Igbo people crashed the price to 600. But the only problem, now the foam. The foam now substandard. Fake foam. Now, if you wear them, the yash still big. But if you use them come nightclub, if you sit down for like here now, it's in. As you sit down, you hear the depression. You hear. That's how you go to shy eye like women so church. So when you get up, the difference we say in the release immediately. So you go come the waka, you feed the waka 30 minutes, you go come the air. The yash go the release. That time small children go to pursue you. Auntie, it's like the yash is rising. Liposuction. The tico growth when they do them as medical liposuction, diversion of belly fat or body fat to the butt. You not get brothers. Why? If they do your brother like that, deceive him. How you go feel? How can you divert all your belly fat to your? If we men, if we decide to do that thing, we not feel we stand down. For example, Mr. Ibu, we just decide to divert all your belly fat to. Can you withstand it? Some people go just dress, wear clothes, they go tear here, cleavage go they show, they go they talk to you, every year go they shake, you know go feel focus. As I they perform now, if I say make I behave like that, how you go feel? Can you focus? Say as I they perform now, this trouser when I wear, I tear here. Brocos they show, as I they jump like this. Can you withstand it? How body go do you? And Omero, and also now they try you, Abdullah Shehu, and on Egyptian adoptees when adopt come. I'm not saying that they try. If na here on a lodge listening to me, tell this your Egyptian friends, if they never to make them, may they ask things price before they order. Now this hotel lodge 2 years ago, I could buy water, not even me. Now one man when you give his life to Christ, he cut off alcohol, everything he cut him off. He come this Transcorp. Now I say, excuse me, give me water. Then they say 5,000. Then the pastor say, what? For water? It's not water of life, water to drink. They say it's 5,000. Wow. How much is your mineral? They say it's 5,000. Water 5,000. Mineral 5,000. Okay, how much is beer? They say size 5,000. That's shitty now. Kuku give me the beer, let me drink. Pastor drink beer. Now so I call smart, carry 7 girls, youth couples, come the restaurant. I don't know say they are snake, dear. They all catwalk enter. 3 snake, 3 small snake, we small like koto. And this Transcorp, they be fraudsters. They go here put 1 snake, they go put green pepper, onions, snake, green pepper, onions, snake, 3, 20,000 for 1. The guest never even said that. Waiter, give us snake, 22. I said the thing ship now say waiter, make her 40 for them. They don't even shop them, they all bite her once. Then they say, it's tasteless. Can you grave chicken? Now say add fish and chips and extra chips, then put burger. My brother, where they bring my bill? 132,000. And everything where they my pocket, but my ATM, now 26,000. As I explain, say I no get. They never argue. This hotel, they get mop. They all give me mop, man, they mop their swimming pool. So I call the mop. One guy when newly win councillor election He just come with 16 girls. The girls never said, I said, waiter, come, why are you guys slow? Yeah, service is really slow. Come, give us a plate of rice, coleslaw, snare, give us like 6. We are for the mop. I call them, give the man sign. The man got shock. Now I say, manager, who is this nuisance? Can you take this lunatic from here? I lock up. Now the guy said, please bring my beer, I want to leave. As the girls, they come, the manager just said, good afternoon, sir. How are you? You're really doing a nice job. They don't give him a beer. What's happening here? Is this your account number? They say, sir, no, it's your beer. How much? He says, sir, it's 2.5 million. What? Did I do birthday? Where they argue, and I saw food and they look at him. As I talk to you now, if you go corner there, they did the mop swimming pool. People when they come, now they shout for them. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. That was my time. Bless.
Everybody wanna be, everybody wanna take.
Igbe.